Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming supplies: a compatible pen, clean pen housing, and a flat, secured sheet on the mat. In Design Space, type or import your text, then change the layer action from cut to draw so the software knows to use the pen. Once done, attach the pen to the tool clamp instead of a blade and select the right material setting. This controls pressure and speed. Make sure your mat is aligned and the paper is taped or lightly glued to avoid shifting during drawing. Next, you refine how the machine will draw. Pick a pen-friendly font or a single-line script so strokes are clear, and then resize and tweak letter spacing so letters don't collide. Use the attach function to preserve exact layout and prevent automatic repositioning. Preview the draw path in Design Space to confirm stroke order and direction. This preview shows the why of adjustments, because overlapping strokes or tight spacing can smear. If this is your first run with a new pen or now you're ready to draw, load the mat into the machine, verify the pen is seated and the clamp clicks, then press go in Design Space. Observe the first few lines so you can pause if pressure or speed needs adjusting. Slowing down or increasing pressure often improves ink transfer. If strokes skip or look faint, clean or replace the pen tip and try a heavier paper stock, because porous and flimsy paper bleeds or absorbs ink differently. One quick fix is recalibrating the tool if alignment seems off.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.